Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is about different beautiful braids, and these braids are really attractive. Why? Because not only because of different beautiful styles, but these are so thick and long in length, and I found all of them so fascinating. If you love these kind of braids, let me know down in the comment box below. Which one did you find most attractive? Look at this kind of braid, it's so beautiful. I think it's the twisted one with a puffy hair up front. If you guys love watching my videos, do follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Links are in the description box below. If you would like to follow me on Pinterest, do follow me there. I'll be there with more such great photos and videos. Until then, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.